In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recently viewed on Pinterest. If your home feed is packed with ideas based on things you casually clicked, cleaning up your recently viewed can help reset what Pinterest shows you. We'll do this using Pinterest's built-in recommendation controls so your past browsing stops influencing what you see moving forward. Start by opening a web browser and going to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're on your account so you can access your preferences. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left of the screen for the settings area. It usually appears as a gear icon. If your layout looks a little different, you may first click your profile picture and then choose settings from the menu. Either way, you're aiming for the settings panel where Pinterest keeps your personalization options. Inside settings, find and select Refine Your Recommendations. This is the control center for how Pinterest tailors content to you. It's where you can tell Pinterest to stop using certain signals, including things you've looked at recently, to shape your home feed. Next, open the section labeled Activity. This is the area that covers signals like your recent searches and the pins or idea pages you've viewed. These activity signals are what power the recently viewed influence on your recommendations, so adjusting them here is the most direct way to clear things out and prevent old clicks from lingering. Now choose Turn Off All. This switch tells Pinterest to stop using your recent activity to personalize your feed, which effectively removes the impact of your recently viewed items. In many cases, you'll also see the visible history tied to those signals clear from recommendation tools. If you prefer a lighter touch, you can adjust individual toggles in this section instead, but turning off all is the quickest way to reset everything in one go. After you've turned it off, give your browser a quick refresh. Your home feed may adjust gradually as Pinterest recalculates your recommendations without relying on that recent activity. Going forward, new things you interact with will start shaping your feed again. So if you want to keep it clean, browse a bit more intentionally or revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune. That's it. By using settings, opening, refine your recommendations, going into activity, and turning off all, you've removed the influence of your recently viewed items and taken control of what shows up on your Pinterest. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and turn it back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a fresher, more relevant feed.